In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up two-factor authentication on eBay, an essential security measure that adds an extra layer of protection to your account. Two-factor authentication, often abbreviated as 2FA, is a security feature that requires not only your password and username, but also something that only you have on you, like a phone. This additional layer of security makes it much more difficult for someone to gain access to your account. To get started, we'll begin by heading over to the Account Settings section. Once you're logged into your eBay account, you'll want to look for the Settings or Account area. This is typically found by clicking on your profile name at the top right corner of the page. There, a drop-down menu should appear with a variety of options. Select Account Settings to proceed. This section will contain various options related to your account management, privacy settings, and more. Navigating it should be straightforward, but if you experience any difficulty, all these options are usually organized under clear, distinct headings. Now that you're in your account settings, the next thing you'll want to do is locate the Sign In and Security subsection. This area is dedicated to features that help you keep your eBay account secure and ensure you have control over how you access your profile. Go ahead and click on Sign In and Security. This will bring up a further list of options and security features available to you, all designed to help keep your account protected from unauthorized access. The next step is to find and select two-step verification. This is typically prominently displayed as it's a key feature eBay offers for security. Selecting this option is where you'll start the process of setting up two-factor authentication for your account. In this section, follow the prompts, which guide you through the setup process. When you're prompted to proceed with two-step verification, you'll need to add your phone number. Make sure that this is a number you frequently use and have immediate access to, because eBay will send a verification code to this number every time you log in from a new device or after an extended period of time. Input your phone number in the required field and double-check that it's correct. You don't want to accidentally lock yourself out with a typo. Finally, you will most likely receive a verification code via text message to the phone number you've provided. Enter it as instructed on the setup screen. This confirms your phone is correctly linked to your account and ensures that you will receive the necessary authentication codes in the future. And there you have it. You've successfully enabled two-factor authentication on your eBay account, significantly enhancing your security. This simple but effective step helps safeguard your personal information and protects against unauthorized access, giving you peace of mind whenever you use eBay. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe if you found